Welcome back to Chatting with Chief, and today we're going to talk about how to take a Solidworks file and upload it onto your Fusion to cam it. So right here you can see in Solidworks, or more so I got this part that the customer needed it to be cammed out and cut out on the CNC mill. So as you can see, it's just a square with two ends on the side. And what you want to do is save this as a step file, because it is a regular file now. And you're going to click save, drop down menu, step AP214. I'm going to put this in my desktop, and I'm going to also name it step. That way I know it is a step file. And next, what you're going to want to do is open up Fusion 360, and you're going to go in the drop down menu and click open. Open from my computer, saved in the desktop as the name of the part, which is narrow support step. And here you can see it. Same part from Solidworks. And from here, now you cannot design when you upload it as a step, but what you can do is you can manufacture, which is creating the cam for this for your CNC mill. So for you're going to go click setup, and there will be a separate video on how to do this from start to finish and onto the actual mill on another part. But this is just to show y'all how to take a Solidworks file and to upload it onto Fusion 360. Now the reason why I'm doing this is because I do not know how to cam in Solidworks, but I do know how to cam in Fusion. So this is a workaround. These programs in your shop, and you don't have to go into a roadblock trying to figure out, okay, I have Solidworks, but what do I use to cam so that way I can CNC a part out? My suggestion is, if you don't have Fusion 360 now, go ahead and download it as for personal use. That way you can use it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. All right, y'all.